Greetings and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a topic that could literally change your life: make $1 million with SEO blogging, step-by-step guide. Did you know that some bloggers make over $1 million a year through SEO strategies? Stick around to learn how. And remember, check the links in the description below for all the resources we mention. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding why SEO is the golden ticket to blogging success. Many bloggers struggle to monetize their content effectively. But with the right SEO strategies, you can overcome this challenge and reach that $1 million milestone. First up, let's talk about keyword research. This is the foundation of SEO blogging. You need to know what people are searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Mangools, or Surfer to find high-volume, low-competition keywords. These are the gems that will drive traffic to your blog. Imagine you're starting a blog about fitness. Instead of targeting broad keywords like fitness tips, try something more specific like best home workouts for beginners. This way, you're more likely to rank higher on search engines and attract your target audience. Next, let's dive into content creation. Creating high-quality, valuable content is crucial. Write posts that are informative, engaging, and optimized for your target keywords. Remember, content is king, but context is queen. Your content should answer the questions your audience is asking. Here's a tip: use the skyscraper technique. Find the top-ranking content for your target keyword and create something even better. Add more value, update the information, and make it visually appealing. This increases your chances of outranking your competitors. Now, let's talk about on-page SEO. This involves optimizing individual blog posts to rank higher. Make sure your title is catchy and includes your target keyword. Use subheadings, bullet points, and short paragraphs to make your content easy to read. Don't forget to add meta descriptions and alt text for images. Another important aspect is internal and external linking. Link to other relevant posts on your blog to keep readers engaged and reduce bounce rates. Also, link to authoritative external sites to build credibility. Now, for the exciting part: monetization strategies. Here's where you start making money. You can monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling digital products like ebooks or courses. Affiliate marketing is a great way to start. Join affiliate programs related to your niche and include affiliate links in your posts. When readers make a purchase through your links, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Another powerful strategy is email marketing. Build an email list by offering free resources like ebooks or exclusive content. Use this list to promote your products or affiliate offers. Email marketing has one of the highest returns on investment, so don't skip this step. Now, let's reveal the crucial SEO tactics that successful bloggers use. One of the most effective is backlink building. Reach out to other bloggers and websites for guest posting opportunities or to get your content featured. Quality backlinks can significantly boost your search engine rankings. To sum up, we've covered the essential steps to take your blog to the next level and reach the $1 million mark through SEO strategies. From keyword research and content creation to on-page SEO and monetization techniques, these steps will set you on the path to success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who might be looking for new ways to make money online. And don't forget to check the links in the description below for all the resources we mentioned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy blogging!